calling me for? She's found your husband. What do they look like? As smart as how? As low as that? As kindless bear? Tell them to go back. I've got my lover. He's called a Kim. Oprah. Oprah Winfrey. Mama is calling you. What she's calling me for? She's found your husband. What do they look like? As big as elephant, as fast as boats. Tell them to go back. I've got my lover. He's called a Kim. Oprah. Oprah, mais I quel giorno ti vuoi via Kim? Oprah, da me I quel giorno ti vuoi via Kim? Oprah, my sister, you rejected the suitors. I'm gonna tell my mama. Oprah. Oprah. Oprah, my daughter, you rejected the suitors. There comes a Kim. Oprah. Go call your uncles and call the aunties. Call all your brothers. Go call your sisters. Everybody sit down. Oprah sit next to a Kim. Oprah. Oprah. Let your uncle speak. Oprah, our daughter, we love you so. Go marry a Kim. We wish you well. Oprah. Make a Kim happy. I give him children. Go change the nappies and push the pram. Oprah. Go look after Kim and clean the house and cook for a Kim. Go do the shop and push the pram. Oprah. Make a Kim happy. Oprah say bye-bye to mama. Amano pa nyera gwara woko tekwa ajayu kyo yuech. Kim and Oprah, you are both my children. I wish you well. Go and be happy. Oprah. Go look after Kim. Make a Kim happy.